Good evening, children. How are you? Hope you understood yesterday's video. Right? Very good, children. Now look here, children. As we are discussing about the intermediate level in your workbook, chapter number 3. Intermediate level we are going with, right? In that intermediate level, already first Roman completed. Next, in the second Roman, we have completed 2 sums, right? Now coming to the next. Okay. So all the following in that 1, 2 we have completed, and now we are going with the remaining sums. Okay. Now in your workbook page number 34, there are 3 sums, 3, 4, 5, right? Now we will learn about them. See, children, already I have told when doing the word problems of multiplication, after writing the step, after writing the statement, what we have to check? If they gave the value of 1 and we have to find the value of more things, okay, we have to go with multiplication, right? Now see here, children, in the third sum, see the third sum, children. There are 154 pages in a notebook. How many pages will be there in 120 such notebooks? In a notebook means how many notebooks? As we are using A, we know that, right? Means in one notebook we have 154 pages. And we have to find total number of pages in 120 books. Means number of pages in one book is given and we have to find the number of pages in 120 books. Means more number of books we have to find. When we need to find the more number, what we have to do? We have to do multiplication. Okay, children. Now we will see how to write the statements. Okay, third sum, children. See, as it is the number of pages. How to start? Number of pages. Start the statement as number of pages in one notebook, children. How many pages are there in one notebook? It is 154. Now how many notebooks we need? We need 120 notebooks. So number of pages in 120 notebooks. We have to find it out. See here, children. Here they gave the value of number of pages in one book, and we have to find the number of pages in 120 books. Means one book less number is given and more number we have to find. When we need to find out more number, what we have to do? We have to do multiplication. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 154 with 120. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 154 with 120. So multiply, children. 154 into 120. Start multiplying with the digit in the ones place. 0 into any number we will get 0. Already we know this. Okay, so 0 4 is 0, 0 5 is 0, 0 1 is 0. After completing with the one digit, what we have to do? We have to cancel the first place. Next with the second number. 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 5 is 10. 0 and 1 carry to the next place. 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3. Okay, so 2 multiplication 2 completed. After that, what we have to do? We have to cancel the carryings and we have to cancel the 2 starting places. Next, the multiplication with 1. 1 4 is 4, 1 5 is 5, 1 1 is 1. Now what we have to do? We have to add. Okay, do addition, right? Now 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8 plus 0, 8, 0 plus 0 plus 4, 4, 3 plus 5, 8 and 1. So, how many total number of pages are there in 120 books? That is 18,480 pages are there for 120 books. See, for one book there are 154 pages and for 120 books there are 18,480 pages. Got it, children? Okay. Okay, children, now coming to the fourth sum. See, if 6,908 people travel in a train, how many people travel in 7 such trains? See here, one train, there are 6,908 people are traveling in one train, and we have to find for 7 trains. So one was less number was given and more number we have to find. Okay, so what to do? Very good. It's multiplication, right? Now, as it is the number of people, we can start the statement as number of people traveling. in one train. How many people are traveling in one train, children? It is 6,908 people are traveling in one train. And how many trains we need? We need for 7 trains. So what we have to do, see, 1 was given and we have to find the first 7 trains. So what we have to do? We have to multiply, right? Very good. So 6,908 into 7. Write it now. 6,908 into 7. 7 8s are 56. 6 and 5 carry to the next place. 7 0s are 0 plus 5. 5. 7 9s are 63. 3 and 6 carry to the next place. 7 6 are 42 plus 6. It's 48. So the number of people traveling in 7 trains is 48,356. This is the number of people traveling in 7 trains. Here the number of people traveling in 1 train is given. And we have to find out the number of people traveling in 7 trains. Means less number is given and more number we have to find. When we have to find out the number, more number, what we have to do? We have to do multiplication. And here is the solution and this is the answer here. So the number of people traveling in 7 trains is 48,356. Okay children, now coming to the 5th sum children. See the 5th sum. A factory produces 327 tube lights in a day. How many tube lights can it produce in the month of February in a leap year? See children, here madam they gave only one number, that is 327 tube lights. Where is the another number? Yes, they didn't give it as the number but they gave some clue, right? What we have to find? For 1 day they gave, and for how many days we have to find? See here they didn't give the number of days but they gave it is the month of February in a leap year. See, normally February has 28 days. But in a leap year, February has how many days? It is 29 days. So, what we have to find? We have to find the number of tube lights produced in 29 days. Why 29 days? Because they gave it as February, in the month of February in a leap year. And for the month of February in a leap year, we have 29 days. So, we have to find out for 29 days. Okay. Now, start writing the statements, children. Okay, children, first write the number of days for February in a leap year. Then we will write for the the statements of the word problem, right? Now, see, number of days in February in a leap year. How many days, children? It is 29 days. Okay, now write the statements, children. See, now write number of tube lights produced in 1 day. How many tube lights are produced in 1 day, children? It is 327. And in 29 days. Why were we taking 29 days? We can take some other days, no? Because as they gave the month of February in a leap year. And the number of days in the month of February in a leap year is 29 days. So we are taking for 29 days. So number of tube lights produced in 29 days is 327 into 29. Multiplication. 327 into 29. 9 7s are 63. 3 and 6 carry to the next place. 9 2s are 18 plus 6. 24. 4 and 2 carry to the next place. 3 9s are 27 plus 2. 29. Now what we have to do? We have to cancel the carryings and we have to cancel the first place. Now, coming to with the multiplication of the second number, 2 7s are 14, 4 and 1 carry to the next place, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 3s are 6. Now what we have to do? We have to do addition. So 3 plus 0 3, 4 plus 4 8, 9 plus 5 14 and 1 carry to the next place, 1 plus 2 plus 6 9. So what was the answer here? So the answer is therefore answer is equal to 9,483 tubelets were produced in the month of February of a leap year. Okay children, this is how, see here they gave the number of tubelets produced for one day they gave, and we have to find out for 29 days. Why were we taking 29 days? Because the month of February in a leap year has 29 days, so we are taking 29 days. And this is the calculation. So how many tubelets were produced in the month of February children? It is 9,483 tubelets were produced. Okay, got it? Next. Okay children, this is how we do word problems in multiplication. Now coming to the next page, that is 35, page number 35. You have building up skills, right? In that I explore is there. Check it. Seema, I explore. In a stadium, the number of men is 4 times the number of women. The number of women is 3 times the number of children in the stadium. The number of men is dash times the number of children. Okay. See here children, they didn't give any number here. Simply they gave 3 times, 4 times. Okay, when the number is not given, when a number is not specified, given correctly, what we will take? We will take the number as x. We can take the number as x. Okay, so let's take number of children. As x. Let us take the number of children as x. We don't know the number of children. No number is given. So, take it as x. And now read the statement, see children. Here, the number of women is 3 times the number of children. 3 times means x plus x plus x. Means 3x. Okay, 3 times we are adding x. So, it will be 3 into x. We can write it as 3x. Okay. So, number of women is equal to 3 into x. Next. And here what they gave? The number of men are 4 times the number of women. See here the number of women is, we can write it as 3x, or we can simply 3 into x, otherwise we can write it as 3x, no problem. Okay. So take it as 3x children. So here the number of men are given. It is 4 times the number of women. Okay. Here we are not taking children. We have to take the number of women because they gave with the comparison of women, right? So, number of men is equal to 4 times the number of women. Means 4 into number of women is 3x. So, 3 4s are 12x. So, the number of children are x, the number of women are 3x, and the number of men are 12x. Okay children? Now, solve the down. This is the statements we are simplifying. This is, still now we didn't do the sum. Here we have just simplified the statements what they gave. And down you have 2 questions. Okay. The first one, see children, the number of men is dash times the number of children. See how many times the number of children? Number of children is x. And how many times the men? That is 12 times the number of children. The number of men in the stadium is 12 times that of children. See, 12 into x. So means 12 times x. If you add the number of children for 12 times, you will get the number of men. So it is 12 times. Next. Second one. If there are 470 children, how many men are there? Okay, here they gave the number of children. What is that? It is 470. So let us take x is equal to 470. And now number of men will be, see, 470 into 12. 2 zeros are 0, 2 sevens are 14, 4 and 1 carrying. 4 2s 8 plus 1, 9. First one cancel. Next. 1 zeros are 0, 1 sevens are 7, 1 4s are 4. Add 0, 4, 6, 1 carrying 5. So if the number of children are 470. So the number of men will be, how many men will be? It is, men will be 5,640 men will be there in the state. Got it children? Here they gave, here up to here we have did simply we have simplified the statements what they were. See, the number of children are, we took it as x. Now the number of women are 3 times that of x, means 3 into x, that is 3x. And the number of men are 4 times the number of women, means 4 into number of women is 3x. So 3 fourths are 12x. Now here 2 questions were given. So men will be how many times that of x? That is 12 times. If the number of children are given as 470, how many men will be there? So 470 into 12, that is 5640 men will be there. Okay children, got it? Okay. Okay children, coming to the next. See here children, I pair up is there, means you have to do matching, right? See here, the multiplication with tens is given. Okay, means more number of zeros, the multiplication of more number of zeros, and the answer is given. It is very easy. Already we know that how to do the multiplication with the numbers with having more zeros, right? So here I pair up, it is very easy. Do that children. Next, puzzle. I puzzle is there. See here down they gave already, you have did the same model in the second chapter, right? Very good. Now see here across given, down given. So multiplication first we have to do the multiplication. Do the multiplications in the rough work and first write all the answers here. See 31 into 15, write the answer beside it. 233 into 37, write the answer beside it. 105 into 47, write the answer beside it. Do the rough work in the CW or rough book and then I write the answers here. First don't try to solve this percentage. First write the answers, multiply and write the answers here, and these numbers answers right here. Now if it is across you have to write in this direction, and if it is down you have to write in this direction. Next complete the puzzle. Got it children? First you have to solve these sums in the rough book or CW, math CW, and write the answers here. Then try to solve this puzzle. Okay children? Next, I enjoy is there. Same. I enjoy also same. See, multiplications are given and the answers are here. You have to pair it up. Got it children? Very good. Now you have to do all these. Okay, I pair, I enjoy and I puzzle. All this you have to do on your own. Okay children? Practice well ma. Once again I am saying, if you practice well then you can get the answers. Okay, how much you do practice, you get multiplications that much. If you do more practice, you will get multiplications that much easier, right? Okay children, bye, take care, practice well ma. Okay, bye.